If you're about to try a Temu free gift code, stop for a second, because if you use it the wrong way, nothing will happen, and you'll assume the code doesn't work. Before we go any further, I've put the working Temu free gift code right here on the screen, and it's also in the description and pinned comment, along with a couple of backup codes that are still active. Now here's what you need to know before you try any code. Mistake number 1, opening Temu first. This is the biggest mistake. Most people open the Temu app first, then try to enter a code later. By doing that, Temu already treats you like a normal user, not someone entering a free gift event. Once that happens, the free gift usually won't activate. What you should do instead, before opening the Temu app, click the first link in the description. This tells Temu you're entering through a free gift event. Once the page opens, you'll see a QR code. If you're on your phone, scan the QR code. If you're on desktop, you'll see a manual code you can enter instead. Only after doing this should you open the Temu app. What to look for next? Once inside Temu, you should immediately see a progress bar. That progress bar is the confirmation that the free gift event is active. If you don't see it, stop and repeat the activation step using the link. Without the progress bar, the free gift will never unlock, completing the event. Once the bar appears, Temu will give you a few simple tasks. These are things like browsing products, checking deals, opening specific sections. Each one fills the bar a little more. When the bar reaches 100%, the free item you selected unlocks and gets prepared for shipping. No payment required, no referrals needed, no tricks. Why this matters? Most people fail the free gift, not because the code is bad, but because they use it in the wrong order. Order matters here. Activation first, browsing second. So before you try any Temu free gift code, follow these steps exactly. Use the code on screen, activate the event first, watch for the progress bar, and then complete the actions. And if it finally works for you, leave a comment and tell me what you unlocked. I want to know if this saved you time.